Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Slow Beamer channel. Today we are at Napa.
Napa know-how.
We're gonna do an oil change on my car, and then on the new one, and then, oh hello, he's looking at the car.
You like it? Yeah, you see this V8? Yeah.
But we're going to Napa to get liquid moly, Ceratec, I think is what it's called.
Ceratec, and also the engine, unless if you get the green stuff that I have, it comes with Ceratec in it, but it costs a little bit more for the
oil. Babe, it doesn't need that expensive in oil. It doesn't need that.
Castrol.
Yeah.
So you're gonna need a bottle of Ceratec, and you're gonna need the engine flush. So we're gonna do that.
Are we gonna do engine flush? But I gotta run it in my car before I can.
We should do it though, just to get all the gunk out. It'll clean the heads and all that. It's not a bad idea.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't know what can do. That car sat for a year. I feel like
that is true. Yeah. So we're gonna pick that up. Swap the wheels because the wheels look absolutely hideous. Justin found out they were universal wheels apparently.
Buy them, you know.
They're a 7-inch offset, right? 7-inch?
Yeah, 17 by 7. That's crazy.
17 by 7. That's
yeah.
Small as hell.
Yeah. They're Civic
car.
wheels on a BMW.
Yeah, it looks so bad. It basically, he said it looks like all four were on donuts, and that's pretty much exactly what it is. So,
He likes
yeah.
the car.
Oh, that's cute. A kid just looking at my car. Very cute. Okay, well, we're gonna go and grab this, get food, because I'm starving. I just got off of work, so
Let's see
yeah.
what they have in here.
Hello, everyone. So, we got Justin driving the manual right now. Type shit. It's got a couple lights, but you know, not the end of the world. We picked up an oil filter for it. We tried to swap the wheels at my house, but it didn't work, unfortunately, because these are 17 inches and apparently you need a thin-walled socket to take these off. So it didn't work. I was upstairs showering, so thank you, Justin. And he helped me put on my plate. I love when men do men shit.
For shit, because the
We made it.
Alright.
We got the car here on these ugly ass wheels, so we're gonna swap these out. Yeah, like look at the profile of them. Jesus Christ. But yeah, it's that time of the season. We got the heater out. But yeah, let's get these wheels up and out and get rolling. Got the Gabagoo, the liquid Molly Gen. So got what, 7 quarts of this. We got the 5 quart here, and then another 2 quarts, and then we also got the engine flush. So yeah, and this one already has the Ceratec. That's why we went with this oil. Because initially I was going to go with Castrol and then get the Ceratec, but then I would need 2 bottles of that, and that was like $80, so this was honestly cheaper. So, yup, we're going to get these wheels out of here and get rolling. Aww. Yeah, it's packed with wheels right now, so let's get these things out of here. Okay, so we just used this engine flush. Basically, you pour one of these bottles in and you let it idle. It says for like 10 to 15 minutes. So that's what we're doing right now. We got the garage cracked open to let the exhaust out. Yeah. Okay, so we're trying to take these wheels off. The car's been ran for like 15 minutes. We turned the car off and everything, but these wheels are low-key a bitch to take off, so. A little bit more. Sort of rubber. Damn, that bitch is on there.
Say Lodi.
What the fuck? Oh, there we go.
Ah, Lodi.
Ah, there we go.
Being chilling.
first time I seen it. I'm gonna roll up my sleeve for
Okie dokie. That's Jessica in the car, so you guys can see that she actually can do stuff.
Okay, we got the new washer on the drain bolt, and then I put these new gaskets, this one and this one on here, and then time for the new filter. It doesn't matter which side, I'm pretty sure. Slides over the cage. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I might not be able to do it with one hand. I might.
Jeez.
There we go.
I mean, we in the country.
So irresponsible.
I got the security camera right next
Somebody
door.
would have just took your bags.
Yeah, I know, right?
Can you
I would have
imagine?
robbed you.
Somebody came and took the bags.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, I can't even leave.
I just closed my trunk.
Is it done draining?
Nah, it's still going.
What?
It's still going, yeah.
Babe, you know what's crazy? You have the same turn signals as me too.
Yeah.
The sequentials. Did I bring my security?
I guess I'm just gonna leave this here for now. It's still draining. Yeah, Justin, did you swap the wheels?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Who do you think I am, woman?
Excuse me?
Who do you think I am, woman? Who do you think I am, woman? I triple down.
Don't make me say what I think.
Woman?
What I think you are?
Who do you think I am, woman? Hey, black man, how you doing?
You want an oil change already?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
They gave you a fucked up car, twin?
No, it's a good car. It's crazy. We had to take these baby ass wheels off.
Yeah.
What the fuck are those, 16s?
17.
Yeah, bro.
Those just look smaller than my 17s.
Dude, you should have seen the side profile. It literally looked like the body and then the wheels.
Dude, yeah. Oh, those off your
428.
Yeah.
Yep.
How you like the color?
I mean, I already knew she was gonna be a copycat, but like,
It's cool though. It's my twin. It's my evil twin.
What twin?
It's my
Twin?
Twin toy.
oh,
You got one of these?
Nah, I got a 335.
Where?
You got jokes. This is the same place. No. You can't laugh. You can't laugh. Where's your Audi and where's your BMW at?
Hey, my shit starts at least. It cranks.
Barely. Mine does too.
Hey, no,
Mine literally turns on and drives.
It doesn't?
Yes, it actually drives.
Hey, you know what's crazy? I ain't got to check into like, and I had the engine out.
Must be nice. Ask what this Negro's at. Where his car is.
in my
It
driveway?
just told me. Technically, his shit starts though.
Yeah, my shit does start, nigga.
Yeah, it just doesn't go forward or back.
It does.
It does.
It rolls with no power.
I know.
It moves out.
I know it'll move. You're right.
Right, yeah.
And I get to work.
power? Does it get power?
Alright, y'all. So, Justin and Carlos helped put the wheels on. These wheels are actually from my 428, the F32. So, they're 18 inches. So, they're a size bigger than these. But if you want these wheels, let me know. I don't want them. They're 17s. The fitment on this is not. No. So, yeah. I can't wait to see when it's fully down on the ground. I definitely need some lowering springs because apparently it already comes with the Bilstein suspensions.
I know, bro. They're giving out those fake Delta
So, yeah. Probably just need a lowering spring and then, yeah. That'd be sick.
I tried one, name.
Ray from Shop Motorsports.
I thought so. I really thought. Okay, I think his is a little bit. Alright, bet it's hella raw.
Right.
I need 30 bands.
No, you don't. I need 30 bands for that.
No, you don't, bro.
For an engine
Who
swap?
you paying to do it?
For a
100% stock.
I mean,
not even the good one.
Okay, all you gotta do is
not
swap
the
the
bad one, but
manifold.
the one you gotta put the turbo on. You can't even find one with a turbo on.
Well, yeah, but I mean, if he's already, you know what I mean? Like, his four banger, it's still better than the four banger.
I think he just got rid of that fucking thing.
Yeah.
I didn't like that. He loves that fucking
I know, you did like
I hated that.
Babe, can I get a flathead?
Yeah, Carlos, you have a flathead.
Hey, I get that that's your baby. Everyone has it, but there's times, bro. Then it's time.
Yeah. He seems. Why is he into? Is he always in a truck? So we ever get a car?
I don't know what the fuck is
Thank
wrong
you.
I was trying to get him to make you to get you to come out to pick you up yesterday. He was with his girlfriend though. So.
Yeah, I know. Fuck ass nigga. So for the wedding that I went to, it was a Western style wedding, so I had to wear jeans and fucking cowboy boots.
Wait, really? Were you a slave?
No. Nigga, I was the best man. Fuck you. And
Yeah, best man had shackles around him, had the condom in. That's to be free.
Ain't no fucking slave.
Alright, nigga, fuck off. Anyway, so I had to work out what was
Damn, Justin.
I don't wear that shit. Nigga, I wear sweats and Jordans.
So, wedding? You're a Negro for real.
I don't wear
You're actually a monkey. It's crazy. You're blind.
Okay, here's this.
Yeah.
jeans, bro.
Just in general.
I never have to do that.
Bro, just get some salt.
You just gotta buy stretchable jeans at least. So they're comfortable.
Oh, you can stop recording. There we go.
Don't see it. There's a picture.
He said you was my
Filters on there. Hey.
Pour. Yeah, that's that good gobbledygook. We pour green oil.
Green gob-
Damn, where you put it? Hold on, Jamal.
Put down the knife.
Yo, you popping it like that? Damn. Hold on, you just put a hole in there like that?
Yeah, you're trying to get some air through.
Stabbing
Yeah, it poured smoother. Look how smooth it poured now.
Yeah, because you got to release
Delicious. Yum.
the centrifugal
Goofy
force.
goober ass nigga.
Nah, it's the centrifugal
Bro, it looks like
force.
slime from like the
Goofy
Nickelodeon
ass
show.
thinking that he a scientist and shit. Skimming snake. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you okay?
He was
Really? That's
Delicious. That's crazy. This one flips, babe. I kind of fuck with
That's how
that.
my version was.
Really?
It's the same exact one. I just got rid of it.
Alright, just filling the air.
See, Carlos got the bougie line of bro. We used to Harbor Freight tools. That's all we used to. These are nice.
Well, yeah, nigga. You want some shit that's gonna last? Harbor Freight tools last. They just
Okay, 36 p.m. W.
I mean, it looks cheap, but it's dope slow.
You know, that's probably racist. That's how you're on a CC town.
It's still monster truck, but the gap is just so much better. So,
So pretty much, I felt like I was in the States.
Yeah,
though, 'cause,
I
like,
mean-
Michigan, like, it's different. That's bear country. Like,
it's alright. It'll do for now. I realized I missed the first startup, but she's up.
Oh, yeah.
She's on. We're gonna reset the lights and everything. Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Yeah, no
Love you.
Love you too. I wish I had the dongle because I want to reset your oil. Like,
Yeah, I know. We'll get the dongle.
I can feel it already. That's crazy.
Our first drive after the oil change.
It feels good to me.
Yeah, the TPMS sensors are resetting, so
Yeah, that's why I wanted to drive it. So just sit down.
we're gonna get these wheels in the truck now.
This is a 2008
Yeah, they are. It's a great setup. Okay, we got the wheels.
The baby wheels.
Yeah, the baby wheels. Back at the house. You're so tiny. All right, hello everyone. It is a couple days later. We have Justin back there. Hello. So this is what the wheels look like on the car. Definitely fills in the wheel gap a little more, but definitely needs more low. Needs more low, right?
Yeah, definitely. So, I mean, it's not too bad.
We're taking donations. Fistable. Is it Fistable?
Yeah.
No.
Like 2 fizz.
Delicious. But yeah, at least the profile of them looks better with the better offset. But yeah. We're gonna run these wheels for a little bit, lower it first, and then I want some silver wheels.
Yeah, I agree. Silver would be nice.
I wanna match you.
Yep.
I just wanna be a mini you. Well, this is the end of our vlog. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, what emoji should they comment?
Corn dog.
Corn dog emoji.
Corn dog emoji.
Yes, corn dog emoji. Comment that below. All right. Peace, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video.
Peace.